I would like to introduce you to Euronics industrial and entrance facility products. To start with, I would like to introduce air curtains. We are the largest selling air curtain brand in India. Air curtain is a machine installed at entry gates of commercial premises like shopping malls, airports, restaurants, etc. It stops warm air from coming inside, reduces your electricity bill by up to 40% by improving air conditioning efficiency. It restricts flies from entering inside, restricts dust from coming inside. Next is sole cleaning machine. Thousands of workers enter factories every day, bringing a lot of dust along with them. Sole cleaning machines remove dust and debris from these soles, facilitating clean factory floors. These are really beneficial for food, beverage, and pharma factories. Now comes shoe cover dispensers. As the name suggests, these dispensers cover shoes, restrict dust from coming inside. These are really popular inside hospitals, builder sample flats, and industrial units. Then comes queue managers. Queue managers are installed at entrance of public places like metro stations, banks, etc. for queuing up people and help them form a line. Then comes PVC strip curtains. This strip curtains allows efficiency of a door with the convenience of not having to open or close it. They are typically used in warehouses or factories to create separation between two areas. You don't have to physically open gates to make way for humans or machines. Then comes eye wash stations. You must be wondering, what is eye wash station and what are its benefits? Eye wash station is used to drench or flush the eyes with water when dust, irritants, or chemicals enter the eye. Why are they important? They allow workers to flush away hazardous substances that can cause injury. Emergency eye wash stations are a necessary backup to minimize the effects of accident exposure to chemicals. We also offer a wide range of innovative entrance matting products and solutions that protect floors and carpets in your premises from dirt and debris. Euronics matting products are of high quality and at the same time very cost-effective. These mats are made in Holland and offers a warranty of up to 5 years. Then comes anti-fatigue mats. Anti-fatigue mats are mats designed to reduce fatigue caused by standing for long periods on hard surface. We have observed that productivity of workers improves tremendously if they work while standing on these anti-fatigue mats. Then comes shoe shining machine. This is the perfect and convenient way to brush and shine your leather shoes. With over 15 Indian offices, 4 international offices, 11,000 customers, Euronics is the leading industrial and entrance brand in India. Contact us for more details.